Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever wondered if there's a more efficient way to get your oral care routine done, especially when traveling? Well, today, we're reviewing a product that combines two essential tools into one powerful system. Let's talk about the Waterpik Cordless Pearl and Sensonic Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush and Water Flosser combo. This dual-purpose system is designed to help you maintain healthier gums and cleaner teeth, whether you're at home or on the go. But does it live up to its claims? Let's find out. This is a 2-in-1 oral care kit that features both an electric toothbrush and a water flosser. The idea behind this combo is to streamline your dental routine, offering a complete solution for cleaning your teeth and gums. The toothbrush is equipped with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that lasts up to 4 weeks on a single charge. It also has 3 different modes, perfect for customizing your brushing experience. And the water flosser includes 1 precision jet tip, 2 pressure settings, and a 7-ounce removable reservoir, which gives you about 45 seconds of flossing time. Now, let's talk about how these 2 products actually performed in real life. I've been using this combo for the past week, both at home and while traveling. The toothbrush is surprisingly quiet, which I really appreciated. Nothing worse than that loud buzzing sound in the morning. The soft bristles feel gentle on the gums, and the built-in 2-minute timer with a 30-second pacer helps me focus on each section of my mouth for an even clean. The 3 modes really cater to different needs, whether you want a quick clean, a gentle mode for sensitive gums, or a more intense clean. I have to say, the ergonomic handle makes it really easy to use and maneuver, even when my hands are wet. The water flosser, on the other hand, is a game changer if you've ever struggled with traditional flossing. It's easy to fill, and the removable reservoir makes it super simple to clean. The 360-degree tip rotation allows me to reach areas between my teeth that I normally struggle to get to. The 2 pressure settings give me flexibility for a more comfortable or thorough clean. It's portable, which makes it an excellent option for travel, but I did notice it's not for use in the shower, which is a bit of a drawback if you like to multitask during your morning routine. Pros? The portability of this combo is unbeatable, especially for people who travel a lot. Both the toothbrush and the flosser have long-lasting batteries, so you don't have to worry about charging them every day. The soft bristles on the toothbrush provide a comfortable brushing experience, and the water flosser does an amazing job at getting into the nooks and crannies of your teeth. The ADA acceptance of both products also gives me confidence in their effectiveness and safety. Cons? While the water flosser works well, I did find that 45 seconds of flossing time isn't always enough if you're trying to cover your entire mouth. It also requires a USB wall adapter, which isn't included in the package. Another thing, though the toothbrush is quiet, it's not as powerful as some of the more premium electric toothbrushes I've tried. But given the price and functionality, it's still an excellent option. In terms of value for money, this combo definitely justifies its price. You're getting 2 top-tier oral care tools in one sleek package, which is convenient and cost-effective compared to buying them separately. I'd say the quality and functionality are spot on for what you're paying. If you're looking for alternatives, there are similar systems out there, but many of them either don't offer the same battery life, don't have ADA approval, or lack the combination of both a toothbrush and water flosser. Some alternatives, like the Philips Sonicare Air Floss, might have a higher price point, but they often lack the same level of power and control that the Waterpik combo provides. As for build quality, both products feel solid and durable, and the water flosser is lightweight, making it perfect for travel. While I haven't had any issues with longevity so far, the 2-year manufacturer's warranty gives me peace of mind. In terms of customer support, Waterpik's team is known for being responsive, and I've seen positive feedback online about their willingness to assist with any product concerns. So what's the final verdict? The Waterpik Cordless Pearl and Sensonic Electric Toothbrush and Water Flosser combo is a solid investment for anyone looking for a simple, effective, and portable oral care solution. It delivers on its promises of cleaner teeth and healthier gums while being easy to use and travel-friendly. If you're someone who travels often or just wants an all-in-one solution to upgrade your oral routine, this combo is a great choice. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can discover this honest, in-depth review. Your support helps us continue to bring you honest reviews of top beauty and health products. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.